Hey, Uncle, what are you doing with this dirty car?
Oh, son, I'm cleaning and washing this dirty car.
Very well. Is this your car?
No, this is not my car. I'm just cleaning it.
Then why are you working so hard to clean it?
What bad luck I have. I'm just a poor car cleaner. I work hard and clean cars to support my family.
Oh, that's sad, Uncle. You work hard and make videos on YouTube, but no one likes your videos.
Yes, my dear ones, no one likes my videos because I am just a poor car cleaner.
Don't worry, Uncle. This time, the good boys and girls will surely like your videos. Hey, good boys and girls, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, please send your lovely name in the comments.
Thank you for your kindness. I hope that this time the good people will really like my video.